Besides our family, there is Kurban Niyaz family, and we have this picture. Yeah, let me introduce these people. This is Bahadur. You saw his video. This is my Chinese. This year I have 2 Chinese students, by the way. Yes, and this is Uyghur girl from Belgium. Maybe you heard about İlham Tohte. It's his daughter. She is in our university now. So we have some Uyghur students, and this year we also have 2 Uyghur students. One of them is from Urumqi, and another one, he was born in America. He's at business school, and he also comes to our conversation hour to participate in our conversations.
If there is no any question, okay, last question. Okay.
Maybe it's more for yourself and Catherine. Would it be possible to organize an exchange between all these institutions? I mean, with your institution in Indiana and yours in Prague? Maybe possibility for
Maybe this. I think this Uyghur Week, it's the beginning point of all these future exchanges between other universities, especially with the Indiana Universities, I think.
Il y a des aides au voyage qui existent, donc normalement, avec un bon projet, on doit pouvoir organiser effectivement un séjour à Bloomington pour des étudiants, pour un étudiant ici au niveau, il faut déterminer à quel niveau d'ailleurs.
Maybe if there is any more question, I will. I think maybe it's interesting to listen Andre about the Uyghur teaching in Prague University.
Well, first of all, thank you for inviting me to this conference. I've been very excited about coming. The teaching of Uyghur language in Charles University in Prague is pretty small scale. There are usually only 3 to 4 students per year, and we don't open the class every year. There's one more colleague, she's from Mongolian studies, and she has